How to change name on Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head over to the option of account given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on the account page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on that. You'll be directed to the account settings page. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Under personal information, you will find the option of contact info and password. Click on that option. Now over here you will find the option of full name, and at the right corner of it you will see the option of edit. Click on that. Now from here you can easily change your name. You can clear the first name likewise last name and type in the new name. After you do that, click on save. And just for that your name will be changed. So this way you can easily change your name on Walmart app. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.